Hi guys, I am 5 months pregnant by the doctor's calculations, but I don't think so. So today is my first gynae appointment. I'll be taking a taxi because Demar is at work, and I'm just bringing you guys along how the taxi drive ride is, how you pay, whatever. Yeah, hopefully I could show you what's gonna happen in the doctor's appointments. I'm not sure because everybody's like no videoing or anything like that, but hopefully you guys can see. So guys, just come along with me. After calling the taxi company, normally it takes 5 to 10 minutes to arrive. Hello. I am going to Northridge Medical. I think that's the name of it. Yeah, thank you. As you can see, it starts the meter as soon as it drives off. I think each taxi company has different policies on when they start their meter. Some will call you upon arrival and at your location. Once they arrive and you're not there, they will start their meter. Some, once they see you coming towards the vehicle, they will start their meter. We drove in circles for a while and we couldn't locate the place, but this driver was kind enough to stop his meter before actually reaching my destination. So guys, the distance from my apartment to the doctor's office is like 3.3 kilometers. And as you can see, he charged me $15, but he ended up getting $20 because I tipped him $5. Girl can't afford anymore right now, so yeah, $5 tip. You can pay by debit, credit, or cash. Some taxi drivers even take e-transfer, so that's good.
Appointment.
16th of July. In idea though. In idea, 12:45.
Yeah, coming also.
Current status, y'all. Oh.
Construction and thing.
Then I
When I see all coming in, I'm looking tucky in and shirt and tie. A beer, yeah. But you know, I spend money on our like I said that's this. You want a bucket of flowers?
Flowers can I eat? I don't flowers.
The people who flowers.
I don't know, but I can't smell flowers. I'm allergic to pollen, so what am I going to do with flowers?
I never flowers are pollen.
I don't want to come out flowers. Some smell messy. Yo, it smells so nice. Oh, yeah, my blends.
No,
No, my blends. I do blends. Blend out smoothie to this today and Never get
But
to.
no, the thief in someone. People, if you know, if you guys ever in the vicinity of Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada, avoid co-op, then there. It's good enough, yeah?
Come, give me one. Put in a cucumber in the tray.
Which one? The one here? And the one here.
What you think? Put in the basket.
The pair of soft this. Now find on the also one.
Wow, one. Yeah, wow, one.
What's your person that's so kind of rough, you know, man? Swear in there.
Nice though.
Huh?
Then just lay it out nice.
One or two tough two soft. One different two soft like that. Two things, you know. Okay now.
I'll instead mark
Huh?
feel up with the dentist.
It's alright, I'm not buy one now, huh? Up a feel, you know.
But I know how you feel, how you figure out that one you're tough. You sure that one you're tough? I don't know, that's all.
What tough, baby?
I don't know how you.
Just like mango, baby.
It's not just like mango.
Just like
It's
mango.
not just like mango. Where you get that from?
Yes. My mama have a farm.
A farm.
I tell her, I feel like it's too soft, but cabbage. My mama have a farm. You know all about testing and things ready to real. And see. Okay?
Yeah. Oh, you're buying the flowers?
How much money do you
$20. Traffic.
And then it's taking one sweet.
No, you're not taking one time, man. And it stopped it. We couldn't find a place and it stopped the meter before we actually reached there. So I'm not overcharging you. And so it was nice. It was really nice. The guy was really nice.
That's good.
Yeah, it's like it stopped it when he reached from me. I said, when me tell him say they're on the left hand, whatever, and I try to find a place and stuff. And he said, let me stop it because I don't want to overcharge you. That's the nicest taxi man.
Need to tip him.
Yeah, I'm tipping $5. $5. I tipped him $5. It should have been more, but it's what I have.
Why should I have more?
It's nice to give tip. If I had more, I would give.
You poor? You're poor?
Eh?
You're poor?
I never said if I had more.
I said if I have poor. Oh, I think I said I'm poor. Oh,
No, I am not poor.
okay. But just miss one juice and that's it. You know, so this house you come in and so only until you run out of sitting and you just want that. You know, sign up for grocery shopping. Tell her that.
Malali good. Bed them fresh. You know, so bed stay over by what here?
Yeah.
I come because I use it before I can eat none at all. Or I can do, or I can do bread pudding with it.
Miss Albert.
You know, spoil it just still.
You know more, no?
But
Seafood, bro.
one of them they just buy up the ingredients them and do.
But one of the get that other problems from the black man.
Yeah, alone. Avoid that. Oh, no, cool.
Come here now, man.
Oh, yeah, look up.
I'll put cranberry. There.
They're on the shelf, they're on the fridge. Nice fridge with that shelf with that on it.
There, it's not up to the
to drink porridge since he left. So if
Hello.
Hello.
Today?
Phone number?
No.
Okay. As you can see, guys, it's a very short video. I wasn't able to video much at the doctor's office. I really want to say I really appreciate our subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking with us. And for those who haven't subscribed as yet or commented, go and subscribe, comment, like, share. You know the